Hi everyone, in the previous video I opened a Lego which was of the road bike edition. So today is day 2 where I will make the back wheel of this road bike, and this is the packet 2. Let's see what things are in this packet to build this road bike. Let's unpack this. So from here we will tear it. In the previous first packet I got the mini packet of 1, and this here also mini packet of 2. They have given the arrow from where to tear. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. You also in the time lapse where how this was built. So now here's the tire. It's time to fit into this, then we will get the actual feeling. Okay, okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. All good? All good. So it's time to fit this one into the stand. Time to fit this wheel into the stand. Open from here, then it goes like this, and close from here, and ta-da!